I'll now be discussing a recent judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court on pay scales and equal pay for equal work. And the judgment has been delivered very recently on the 4th of August. Now, in this case, a notification dated 25th of February 1991 was challenged, which had bifurcated the post of patwaris working in the revenue department of the government of Punjab into a 50-50 ratio into senior and junior patwaris. Now the senior patwaris were entitled to a higher pay scale, and this bifurcation had been introduced based on the recommendations of the third pay commission. Interestingly, the first and the second pay commission did not recommend any such bifurcation, and even the fourth pay commission, which had come subsequent to this third pay commission, had also not recommended this. However, the state had gone ahead and issued this notification in 1991, which was challenged in a bunch of writ petitions in the year 2003 and subsequently. Now the High Court struck down this notification. It held that this notification violated Article 14 of the Constitution because it created an artificial distinction between persons between whom there was no substantial difference. The court noted that the recruitment rules applicable for the post of patwari in the state of Punjab did not advert to any senior or junior patwari. There was no separate pay scale provided for them, no promotional channel which was mentioned. Even otherwise, the senior and the junior patwaris had the same responsibilities and were performing the same duties. So there was no reason to introduce this kind of an artificial distinction, which would render persons to discrimination and disadvantage based only on fortuitous circumstances. Secondly, and I think very importantly, in this case, the court held that there was no need to refer the issue of pay scales and pay fixation to any experts because the facts were largely admitted, and in those cases where there is no factual dispute, the court is not required to refer the matter to the experts. In this context, the court relied on the 2008 judgment, Supreme Court judgment of Dinesh KK. Thirdly, and I think very importantly, the state had argued that there was an enormous delay in challenging the notification, but the court rejected this argument. The court held that this, being a pay scale matter, was a case of a continuing wrong and it did not affect any third party rights. The court relied on the landmark Supreme Court judgment of Tarsem Singh from the year 2008 and ultimately directed the state to pay arrears of all the employees within the stipulated period and was pleased to quash the notification.